So before we get started with this video, just a little announcement about my South Korea trip coming up later this year. So are you guys ready to travel to South Korea with me this year with a group of other like-minded people who are out here to create the best memories of their lives? The trip is going to take place April 1st to April 7th this year, and between 10 to 20 people will be joining. So I wanted to let you guys know that there's less than 2 weeks left of availability to book for my trip. So basically this is a tour that we're going to be doing together. This itinerary is all on the website on Trova Trip. I've got it linked down below. And basically we're going to just be like, friends traveling together around the world and just doing the hottest girl shit ever. Taking a bunch of photos, making new friends, and sightseeing and doing just amazing things. So I'm actually super hyped because I was really looking into this itinerary and Trova Trip really just got the best itinerary together for us. So this trip is going to be broken down into 2 parts. The first part being in Seoul, and then in the middle of our trip we're going to be taking a train to Busan, and then we're going to be experiencing more things there. So in the first half of this trip, I'm super excited to explore Hongdae. We're going to do a Seoul city tour. We're going to be going to a bunch of traditional places as well to learn about like Korean tradition. So we're going to go to palaces, we're going to go to traditional villages, we're going to get to go to the Seoul Sky Observatory, the Namsan Tower viewpoint, and we're just going to be able to see like the best sights of Seoul. And then the second half in Busan, the thing that I'm most excited about for this entire trip is going to the Gamcheon Culture Village. Like, look at this. This doesn't even look like Asia to me with the cute, colorful little houses. I'm so excited. I can't wait to take a bunch of pictures here to vlog. Again, there's less than 2 weeks left for booking. Booking is going to close February 10th, and then our trip is going to be on the way in April. So I really can't wait, and I hope to see you guys there. Ohayou gozaimasu.
おはようございます。
今日は何するの？
今日は豪徳寺に初詣に来ました。
はい、なんでうさぎなの？
なぜなら今年はラビットイヤーだからです。
はい、バニーラビットイヤーだよね。
そうだよ。
はい。
バニーラビットイヤーだよ。
はい、かわいいよ、めっちゃ。
ありがとう。
恥ずかしいなの？
恥ずかしくないよ別に。
え、マジ？私たちバカだよね。
私たちはバカです。
はい。The legend of Gotokuji is that in like the year 1600 there was like an important feudal lord. You don't remember his name. Nantoka-sama. He was trying to escape from a rainstorm, and then he found this temple, and there was a cat at the front, and it was like meow. And then he was like, and then so he went inside, and he safely made it through the rainstorm, and then he dedicated the temple under his family name to the cat, and then thus the legend of the lucky cat or the maneki neko began. At this shrine, Gotokuji, you can buy lucky cats and you make a wish, and then when your wish is granted, you bring the cat back and you bring it back home. So I bought 5 cats. It's kind of creepy, but when you think about all the people's wishes that came true, it's really sweet. So yay! I'm so glad that we can make our New Year's wishes here. I brought my camera today, but I can't use it because it's really hot in this greenhouse. So I'm just using my phone. But look, I'm strawberry picking for the first time today. Ichigogari da yo. Mite, mite, mite. Look at this big fucking strawberry. Mite! Kawaii! Kawaii! Oh my goodness!
超かわいい。
かわいい! Look! We picked so many! Holy shit. Wow. 何私たち。
すごい。かわいいね。
ありがとうございます。おばちゃん。おー、食べよう食べよう。
すごいね、いちごビュッフェ。
いちごビュッフェだよね、これ。みんな乾杯しよう。
乾杯しよう。
乾杯しよう。
いちご乾杯。
乾杯。いちご乾杯。
これ一番うまいやつ。
早っ。
やばい。ベストワン出ちゃった。
出るの早っ。
出るの早。もう一個。
もう一個ね。長いのやつね。
長いのやつ。
はい。
うまい。 一番いいかも。
あ、ランキングが難しいよね。
難しいランキング。
ねえ、これ幸せだよ。
天使のいちご。
天使のいちごだよ。It's time.
乾杯。
Soft.
So different. え、全部怖い。すごい白い。真っ白。
What the hell? What? Okay, ranking time.
ランキングタイム。
これかも。
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 私一番最初からこれって思ってた。
だから一番最初が最後だった。
届けて君の手で咲いて遠い日の記憶を悲しみの日の根を止めてくれよさあ愛に焦がれた胸を貫け
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름이지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각해
Hi, so we're having lunch right now. Sorry, it's like really bright, but we're having lunch right now. We went to Tokyo Farm Village, and it's because my last dream in Tokyo is to meet and touch a cow, because I've never met a cow before, and there's a lot of farms in Tokyo and in Japan, so my friends Kurumi and Ayumi took me to Tokyo Farm Village. They did a lot of research for me last night, and so now we're having lunch first, next to like the animals, the cows and the sheep, and yo, this is like the best Tokyo experience I've ever had actually.
이렇게 그 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다
Wow,
내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 나는 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better It's just good when I'm with you Alright this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better It's just good when I'm with you alright
언제부터 시작한지 잘 몰라 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아 baby
Hello. Today we're shooting spring summer. Okay, yeah. Today we're shooting spring summer for Ayumi's brand Dear Sisterhood. So I'm wearing one of the new pieces, and then I mean all this cute stuff in the back is all of the new stuff. I just shot this one. This is one of my favorite blouses. Super frilly and super cute. And then also. What is my favorite? I also really like this Chinese style blouse. Super cute. And this is my favorite set. Oh, and also, I really like this bandana. Come. Like this. Hi! かわいいぞ。
可愛いぞ。
お揃いだよ。
Always matching girls.
Always matching girls. Such good.
너만 보면 감이 자꾸 투정을 부리게 돼 Boy what do I do 이거 말투 이쁜 얼굴은 지푸동해지네 집에 와서 내 화를 너에게 푸는 내가 너무 싫었어
ラストです。ナイスレモンです。
ナイスレモンです。
So today I went to La Ferre in Harajuku to see the Cloma exhibition. They're one of the coolest, like sort of underground Japanese indie brands. They're super unique and they've got kind of like a futuristic style. My dearest friend Mick has finally released one of his first designs as a designer, and it's in collaboration with Cloma. And here are the bracelets, and you guys, like, I'm just so proud of him. Hi. So I am looking at the bracelets now. There are two styles. So this one is called Slice. It's like the smaller style that's available in a size M to L. And then this one is called
Neoform.
This one is called Neoform. And this is a larger size available in M to XL, which I'm super excited about this one. To wear it like this. Isn't this super cool? And then also you could do like a stacking situation. So I thought this was super cool. But for now, I just bought this one.
Can't take it home today,
Wow. Yo, look at these. Sticky. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in Japan for the last 3 months. It's been a huge roller coaster. I'm currently back in Los Angeles now because I have to begin shooting for a long-term project this year. I can't tell you guys more details about it until the end of this year, but because of this project, for this year, I'm going to be living between Tokyo and LA. So I will see you guys back in Tokyo in April. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again next week.